So friends, today I reached 100 subscriber. Thanks to all of you. As I have already told that this channel is not for any money making purpose, because I have not that monetization some tab is there. I have not unlocked that one. So our view, our motto is different. We are working for a long term purpose. Nearly 5 years we have working in this YouTube channel for coming 5 years. Okay, we have a different motto, and our business segment is also different. So I have thought, like every month once or twice I'll make a video for to suggest you to invest in a long term share. Normally I used to give short term share sale calls mostly, but here I am going to give you a long term share, which is a very good share in fundamentally you can tell, or technically also a good share. And it's the in my theme, it's a new gem theme. New gem theme means new generation stocks. It's not like that old Coal India, BPCL, Reliance and all. It's for me new gen shares means Root Mobile, Affle India Limited, Nureka, then then India Mart Intermesh, nearly Zomato is coming. Those technology based company, new business segment company, uh, even that cycle one making company is there, that is also listed in share market. And all these type of IT companies, they are the new gem company. I think in this type of company future you can see a lot of growth potential, even Ease My Trip also, because that type of company is very less listed in India. If you see US stock, there are so many companies which are listed, all these technology company like Uber, Tesla, Netflix and all. So I am going to give you a long term investment purpose on share, but there also I am giving you a short term approach. Okay, so today the first segment is starting, and we will make a thumbnail every time. The same thumbnail we will use every time, so that you can easily understood that one. And I will going to create a playlist for only this one. Okay, for long term investment purpose share. Monthly once one or two stock I am going to give you. Okay, thanks friend. So the first share name is Root Mobile. Today I am going to discuss it. Fundamentally you can see, but the business is very good business. It's a very technology oriented company, so you can invest in this share. So if you see Root Mobile one day chart, because the share is listed new only, we cannot open the monthly chart. If you see also monthly chart, nothing is appearing. So one day chart is better for it. So if you see Root Mobile closing price was 1687.90. Okay, if I am seeing, and it has a taken a support, you can see here clearly it has taken a support of 1657, nearly 1657 it has taken a support. Okay, so if I am going to Root Mobile, longer view, the first thing that it has to break the level of 1817. If it will break the level of 1870 from where it has taken a resistance, then there is a chance it will go to 1954. 1954 is almost its 52 week high. Okay, so first target is for is 1817, 1954. Right now closing price is 1687. So 1954 minus, if we'll do 1687, I am using my calculator nearby, 267 rupees is coming. And right now the share price is 1687. So 267 divided by 1687, it is coming around into 100, 15%. So first target for us, it's a 15% up move from its Friday closing price, which is 1954. But to reach 1954, it has to clear the hurdles of 1817 first, then only 1954 it has to come. And once it will cross 1954, then we can see another target price. That time I am going to again make a video, and I have to discuss what is the next target. Okay, but if you see the downside risk, always we should not go for the long, upside risk, upside profit. We should go for the downside risk also. If you see the downside risk, if it breaks this level, the support level of 1657, okay, the first target for me on a longer perspective is 1520. If it breaks that 1520, then next target will be 1360. But I don't think see 1360 it will go. But in stock market everything is possible. Nothing is impossible here. Everything is possible. It can go also 1360. We should have a in clear vision, clear mindset. Our highest downside risk for coming days is 1520 and the maximum one is 1360. Okay, from here itself around 300 point, from the closing price 300 rupees. Okay, so this is my target. So you have to mark this level, as the channel name is marking in candlestick. You have to mark this level 1817 in upside. Once clear 1954, till when 1954 it will reach, we are going to make a video and we will see how much it is going. If it is coming down 1520, next 1360. That's you have to remember. And there is a disclaimer, as always, this video is only for educational purpose. We are not responsible for profit or loss, anything you are making by watching my video. Before investing in Root Mobile or any type of share, you have to do your own research, analysis, your own risk reward point of view. You have to think, then only invest in this share. Thanks.